Today I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and get products for 100% free. A lot of people have been asking me, and I'm here to go ahead and deliver. This is going to be a step-by-step guide how you guys can go ahead and secure free products from Amazon, and on top of that, also get paid. You can receive products like this, and this, and it's honestly really simple, and I can't believe so many people have been passing up on this opportunity. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Hey guys, Shiftery here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and I'm super excited about this one because I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how to get free products from Amazon. I've seen a lot of videos out there telling you to go ahead and DM Amazon sellers and see if they're looking to go ahead and get their products boosted on Amazon, but typically that doesn't work. But I finally have cracked the code on how to do this repeatedly over and over again, so you guys can go ahead and get 15 plus products per month simply by following this video. But something else that you guys can go ahead and follow is this channel, because if you guys go ahead and do so, you guys will be put on with the latest and greatest methods on how to go ahead and make money online and receive things for free. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Click the Discord link down in the description below, and this is actually my Discord server where we actually do product reviews for money, and we also go ahead and get free products, and a lot of people have been receiving free products. I'll show you guys the vouchers in a second. I want to explain this and how is it really possible. A lot of different Chinese sellers coming together, and they want us to go ahead and promote the products, so all you got to go ahead and do is simply type in the keyword, and I'll show you guys this real quick. Here's an example. They want us to go ahead and search up iPhone charger and find the one that's going to be $10.99, and I do want you guys to keep in mind that these products are constantly changing, and it is going to be first come first serve, because it's going to be one person gets this product, one person gets this product, and so on. So the products do vary, and you may not want the products all the time, but you are getting paid a commission on top. So once the review is live, you guys will go ahead and get your commission just like that. So simply open up a ticket inside of the Discord just like that, and you guys can go ahead and simply click on this to go to the ticket. Now we need to go ahead and paste in our Amazon profile links. Let me show you guys how to get that. Simply head over to Amazon.com. I'm not sure if you guys can go and do this in the app, so you guys can go and do this on the mobile website or also on your PC, and simply head over to accounts, click on profiles. Once you guys are here, all you got to go ahead and do is copy this link. It is so simple, just like that, and go back to the ticket. Once this is done, now you need to go and take a screenshot of your order history. We're looking for orders 6 months or older. This basically allows us to see if the account is going to be aged or not. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. Over to the Amazon app, just like that. Click on the middle button right here, your profile, and then go over to your orders. If you do have 2022, I do recommend clicking on it because we are on the 7th month and it might just be easier. And all you want to go ahead and do is screenshot this right here. So basically show that it is 2022. And as you can see, it is an account that we order on typically, just like that. And then we go back to the Discord and paste it into the ticket, and boom, just like that, we are all pasted in and good to go. So there's literally nothing else to go ahead and do here. And why we had to go ahead and do those two things: the first one is the profile link, and we had to go ahead and do that simply to make sure that you haven't left any bad reviews on products. All reviews on Amazon are public, which is really good, so it does help us out a lot to go ahead and check your account and make sure it's valid. And then the second one, the order history. Product reviews from older accounts are much better, especially when it comes down to leaving reviews on newer shops. So that's the main reason why we need those two things. And then once it's done, you'll go ahead and get approved, and you guys can go and follow the steps from there. It's going to go to tell you which products you guys can go ahead and pick, and you guys can go ahead and pick up to 4 items at a time. So now let me show you guys how much you can go ahead and get paid for doing these Amazon product reviews, and it's honestly shocking. It's literally a 1 to 2 sentence product review, and it doesn't take any time at all. You don't have to even record a video. You just take a picture of it, and also make sure to go ahead and leave 1 to 2 sentences, and it's that easy. Like 1 is going to be 5, 2 is going to be 10, 3 is going to be 20, and 4 is going to be 30, and so on, as you guys can see there. And honestly, these are some really good rates just for receiving free products. So if you guys go ahead and get a bunch of products, review them, and get them posted up on Amazon, you guys can receive free products. Also, you're able to go ahead and resell the products on places such as eBay and Facebook Marketplace, which will go ahead and net you guys a decent amount of profit. So I highly recommend reselling them on those platforms if you guys want to go ahead and maximize your profit. But whatever you guys do not return them directly to Amazon, because that does void your commission, and you will not be able to go ahead and get a refund on the items directly through us. And we're typically paying through Cash App, PayPal, or even cryptocurrency, which makes it really good. So you get your refund really quickly right after the review goes up, up, you'll go ahead and get a refund through us, and it's that simple. So I highly recommend. There's no risk at all, because if we don't go ahead and pay out, then you can simply return it to Amazon. So that's why I recommend doing this type of product review. And if you guys have some extra cash to go ahead and spend, this is a good way to go ahead and make money and also receive free things. You can also see that someone has already received some free products and they already have gotten paid for these. I'm hoping to go ahead and see a bunch more people on this list as well. He's gotten a lamp, and he also got some wall sconces as well. Again, very random products, but sometimes you can get some really cool stuff such as LED light strips, iPhone chargers, and even AirPod cases, security cameras. These are all products that could actually be on the list, so keep a lookout. And if you guys don't like the products, you guys can go and get them for 100% free and also get paid to go ahead and leave the review, which is honestly really not bad in my opinion. So the next method to go ahead and get products from Amazon for 100% free is simply to go ahead and download the app called Eureka. Simply click on open, and you guys will be greeted with all these surveys here to go ahead and complete. I know a lot of people weren't the biggest fan of paid surveys, but trust me, they honestly do pay. And as you can see, I have made $60 just by using this method, and I can simply go ahead and buy whatever I want on Amazon. I'll show you guys how to cash out, but simply go over to your referrals and type in the code GUDW4I. GUDW4I will go ahead and give you guys a free dollar, but I do want to be 100% transparent. I do get a little bit of money if you guys go ahead and type in that code, and it does help out the channel significantly, as I do help you guys on the channel. I would like to go ahead and expand the content, so typing the code does support the channel quite a lot. But once you guys have enough money, the minimum payout is going to be $5. Simply go over to rewards. It's going to be the third tab in, and you guys want to go ahead and find Amazon gift cards. So there's a bunch of different gift cards here. Amazon, Walmart, there's so many different other gift cards. Visa, you can do PayPal, but we're here for Amazon, and we could type in this code simply into Amazon and just get free products just like that for completing surveys. So honestly, in my opinion, this method isn't really the best, but I really highly recommend getting the other one, because you're also getting paid to go ahead and leave product reviews, and actually pairing the two methods may be the best option in my personal opinion. You guys can also select which email you want the gift card to be sent to, so I already have my email sent in there, which is really nice. The next method is going to be to download the app called RockdaNut, and basically this is a cashback app, and it definitely pays me a lot. What you guys can go ahead and do is sign up with the referral code down in the description below, and it should go ahead and give you guys some pretty good rewards. So I'll go ahead and put the referral code on screen so you guys can go ahead and get it. But you guys can see that there's a ton of different ways that you guys can go to save, but simply typing in the word Amazon. The only problem right now is Amazon is not currently offering cash back since it is Prime Day, but you will actually see a bunch of cashback offers, so I highly recommend keeping an eye on RockdaNut and actually signing up, because they have some amazing savings that you guys can go ahead and get, such as hotels, travel, Walmart. They even had Temu on here, I actually saw that, and just so many different other applications, Nike, Adidas, if you guys are into fashion and other things like that, so I highly recommend it. But anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hopefully you guys were able to go and get some free Amazon products, and I'll see you guys next time for the next video on Shiftery Reviews. Bye.